In this video we're going to take a look at how to do basic formulas in Excel. First of all, let's put some labels up here. It doesn't make any sense to put numbers in if we don't describe what they are. So we'll do a real simple spreadsheet here. Okay, so we're going to enter some numbers. I'm going to make this wider. If you double click on it, it'll make the column as wide as it needs to be to accommodate the widest entry. And I'm also going to change the alignment on these, right align them so that they're closer to the numbers over here. Okay, and now we're going to put in some numbers. And then down here we're going to put in a formula. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to tell Excel to take the number up here in A1 or B1 and subtract the number in B2 and put the answer here. So if this is where I want the answer, that's where the formula goes. And cell references are always given by specifying the letter first, the letter for the column followed by the number. So I want B1 minus B2. It doesn't matter if you type them in uppercase or lowercase, it all comes out the same. Now when I hit the enter key, nothing happens. And the reason nothing happens is because Excel doesn't realize that this is a formula. Formulas have to start with an equal sign. If it doesn't start with an equal sign, or if it's a digit or a plus or minus, then Excel assumes that it's a label. And just like the word profit over here or the word cost. So what I have to do is I have to edit that and put an equal sign at the beginning. So there's a couple of ways to do it. I can go up here and click and put the equal sign in front of the B1. I can go here and click and do the same thing. And let's go ahead and do that. Hit the equal sign and then hit enter. And it gives me the correct answer. And the neat thing about Excel is if I go up here and change something, it automatically recalculates and gives me the correct answer. The basic operators in Excel are the minus sign is for subtraction. If I want to add two numbers, let's just put a formula here that will add those numbers. Equals B1 plus B2, and it gives me 140. If I want to multiply two numbers, let's do B1 times B2, and I should get about 4,500 for that. And if I do equals, we'll do lowercase letters this time, B1 divided by B2, I should get something like 1.8. And there's one other operator, and that is raising a number to a power. If I want to figure out what 5 squared is, use the caret symbol above the 6, 5 to the second power, should be 25. As far as priority rules are concerned, the priority rules are the same ones that you learned in high school algebra. If I take 2 times 3 plus 4, the multiplication is done first, so I'll get 10 for an answer. If I do equals 2 plus 3 times 4, the multiplication gets done first. I get 12 plus 2 is 14. And if I want to override the priorities, 2 plus 3 times 4, I just use parentheses, and this will add the 2 and the 3 together to give me 5, and I'll multiply that by 4 and I'll get 20. The priority rules are, first of all, anything in parentheses is done first, then raising number to a power, and that one's actually done right to left instead of left to right, then multiplication division from left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. And those are the basics for putting in simple formulas in Excel.